Hello, my friends. Today I have come with something very energetic, something which will be useful to all of us. That is how we can learn fast. It is not to be taken as fast learning, but this fast stands for something. It's an acronym. The first letter F stands for forget. Forget sounds like a misnomer, right? No, the forget means forget what you know before you start learning something new. There is a Zen saying which says, before you pour something to the bowl, ensure the bowl is empty. It's a very profound statement, So before we start learning something, we have to empty our minds and then start learning. Otherwise, what happens is our thought process keeps reviewing what is happening, and it will start analyzing what is happening based on whatever information, wrong information, half-baked information we know. So ensure that we clear our mind before we start learning. We have to start like a beginner. That's the first forget. The second forget is, everybody has got a notion, my brain cannot take anymore. My memory cannot retain anything. I have already reached the max of what I can have in my brain. No, get rid of such limitations. Brain is not like your shoe size. It can assimilate as much as information as you keep giving in. In fact, they say even Einstein's brain was used only to the level of 5 to 6%. That is the kind of capacity of our brain. It can take in immense knowledge. And third forget is, forget everything that is happening around you when you start learning. Forget all those nonsense ideas that come in. You are going to concentrate only on learning. It is ekagra chinta, what they say. That's the three different F's. Then A stands for active. Active learning is, all the while we have been used to the kind of classroom learning. This classroom learning is no longer going to happen. Thanks to Corona, it has opened up a completely different arena for learning called the digital learning, wherein we don't have a classroom full of people wherein somebody is giving a boredom lecture. Probably you might doze off, and if the class teacher is going to notice you at that point in time, your neighbor will give you a small nudge and wake you up. That's not going to happen now. If you go docile, if you stay lazy, you will just lose. See to it that you are active. How do we stay active? The only way is take notes as much as possible, and the thought process, once it starts concentrating on it, keep writing down notes. The quantity is very important as well. This is one place where I would say quantity is more important than the quality at this stage. And you can even draw diagrams to ensure that your notes are associated with the thoughts that you have already gotten, right? So that is called active learning. Then S stands for the situation. Situation, all that is happening around you is a situation. So forget that kind of a situation which you are in. The third letter S stands for the state of mind. State of mind represents how active we are and how we are putting in our emotions to what we learn. Information can stay for a longer time provided we are able to apply our emotions into the data that we learn in. So data plus the emotion provides a longer term memory. We should be more like a thermostat than a thermometer. What does it mean? Thermometer can see at that point in time whatever the temperature is, whereas a thermostat, once it is switched on, it has a vision for itself and it works completely based on the vision without getting diverted, right? So our learning process has to go like a thermostat and not like a thermometer. Very important. And finally, coming to the aspect of T is teaching. I don't have to elaborate on how important teaching is for a learner. The more you teach what we learn, the retention capacity is going to be very high. So teach what you learn to somebody. If there is no one else, make some videos like this and you will see that you are able to learn much more. Your understanding becomes more, your grasping on the subject becomes much more as well. So that's a fast way of learning, and learn fast, get to success fast. Until I meet you next time, Karthik signing off.